Children, today we are doing chapter 4, Tick, Tick, Tick. Children, you know how to read time. This chapter is about time. Now, children, Pampos and Sajia were discussing whose home is farther from school. Now, Pampos, he says, I have to walk for 5 minutes to reach school. Then Shazia, she says, I just walk for 2 minutes to reach school. Then Pamposh, he says, impossible, your home is farther from school. Then Shazia, she says, she is showing her wristwatch and she says, but I checked my watch. I start for school at 7 o'clock. You see the watch. Our hand points at 7 and minute hand points at 12. And our hand is short and thick and minute hand is long and thin. When I reach school, the minute hand points at 2. See, minute hand, it points at 2. So it is 10 minutes past 7. She reaches to school at 10 minutes past 7, but she doesn't know how to read time. So she is saying, so shouldn't it be 2 minutes past 7? This is wrong. You are wrong. Pamposh is saying, you are wrong. You reach school at 10 minutes past 7. Then Shazia is saying, how? Now Pamposh is saying, can you see these thin lines between the numbers? Thin lines. Yes, so what? Now Pamposh is saying, the minute hand moves across 10 lines after 12. So it is 10 minutes past 7. Now Pamposh is saying, I start for school at 7 o'clock. See the watch, 7 o'clock. Then he reaches to school at 7:05 or 5 past 7. Then the minute hand moves across 5 lines. Now practice time, children. Now 3 friends read time from a clock. Who is right? Now first clock is C. First clock, our hand is at 3. It is short and thick. Our hand is short and thick. Minute hand points at 12. So it is 3 o'clock. So who is right? Pinky is right. Now second clock. Second clock, first we will see our hand. So our hand is in between 5 and 6. And minute hand, it points at 7. So children, we can say 35 past 5, because 7 you multiply by 5, then it will come 35. So 35 past 5. Again Pinky is right. Now third clock. In this clock, our hand, it is short and thick, our hand. So it points at 7, and minute hand, it points at 3. So we can say 15 past 7. Pinky is right. Now show the following times in the clock. First is 3:10 or 10 past 3. So first we will make a hour hand. Our hand has to be short and thick, and it has to be ahead of 3. And minute hand has to be at 2, because minute, when it will be at 2, it will be 10 minutes past 3. Now second clock. In this clock, 6:40 or 40 minutes past 6. So first we will make hour hand. Hour hand has to be in between 6 and 7. And minute hand has to be at 8, because 5 8s are 40. So it will be 6:40. Now third clock, 4:45 or 45 minutes past 4. So first we will make hour hand. It has to be in between 3 and 4. Now minute hand. Hour hand has to be 4 and in between 4 and 5. And minute hand has to be at 9, because 5 9s are 45. Now 2:20 or 20 minutes past 2. So first we will make hour hand. Hour hand has to be at in between 2 and 3. And minute hand has to be at 4, because 5 4s are 20. And what you will do, hour hand you will make short and thick, and minute hand you have to be making long and thin. Now next clock, 3:15 or 15 minutes past 3. So what you will do, first you will make hour hand, that should be ahead of 3 or in between 3 and 4. And minute hand has to be at 3, because 5 3s are 15. Now next clock. Next clock is 7:35, or we can say 35 minutes past 7. First we will make hour hand, and it should be in between 7 and 8. In between 7 and 8. And minute hand should be at 35. It should be at 7. Now children, do you like sky watching? If yes, then this one should interest you. Now first question is, at what time does the sun rise at your place? Then you will do yourself. Second B, when does the sun set? This is also you will do yourself. And sunrise in the morning, so you will write AM, and sunset in the evening, so it will be PM. You will write PM. Does the sun rise and set at the same times every day? Look at a newspaper and see the time of sunrise and sunset in different month. So these questions you will do yourself, observe, and then you will do. You can see from your mobile also. Now see the picture of Eiffel Tower. Look at the photo and guess the time at this place. Now this photo was taken in Paris, France. In Paris, the sun sets after 9 p.m. at night during summer. This photo was taken at night, but in winter it becomes dark here by 4 p.m. in the evening. Now this practice time. Find out how long will it take the minute hand to move from. First clock, it is showing 3:35. So minute hand is at 7. And next watch, it is minute hand is points at 10. So how much time it will take? So it will take 15 minutes. 15 minutes it will take to move from 7 to 10. Now second first clock, it is showing 3:40. 3:40 because minute hand as is points at 8. And in second clock, minute hand is showing at 12. So how many minutes it takes? So it takes 20 minutes. It takes 20 minutes to move from 8 to 12. Now in C, first clock, it is showing 6:05 or 5 minutes past 6. And in second clock, it is showing 15 minutes past 6. So how many minutes it takes? So it takes 10 minutes to move from 1 to 3. It takes 10 minutes. Now D. First clock, it is showing 10 minutes past 7. And in second clock, it is showing 7:45 or 45 minutes past 7. Now how many minutes it takes? It takes 35 minutes to move from 2 to 9. This exercise you will do yourself. It is very interesting exercise, children. Draw where the hands will be. Now A. 20 minutes after 6 o'clock. So first we will make our hand. So our hand has to be in between 6 and 7. And minute's hand has to be at 4. That is 20 minutes. Now B. 30 minutes after 8 o'clock. So our hand we will make in between 8 and 9. And minute hand you have to make at 6. So we can say it 8:30 also. Now C. 10 minutes after 7 o'clock. So first we will make our hand. Our hand has to be making in between 7 and 8, and minute hand has to be at 2 because 2 is 10 minutes. Now D. 15 minutes after 5 o'clock. So our hand has to be ahead of 5, and minute hand has to be at 3 because 3 is 15 minutes. How long does your school assembly take? This when you will come, then you will do. How long is your lunch break? This also when you will come to the school, then you will do yourself. How long is your games period? Is it the same as all the other periods?